A Turkish scholar has said that China is exploring effective ways to promote trade investment cooperation, with a focus on a higher level of openness through an international economic forum in Shanghai. Selçuk Kılıçkıran, director of the Ankara-based Turkish Center for Asia-Pacific Studies, told Xinhua in a recent interview that Hongqiao International Economic Forum is crucial in making economic globalization open, inclusive, balanced, and beneficial for all. The Hongqiao Forum was launched in 2018 as an essential part of the China International Import Expo, constituting a high-end dialogue and exchange platform for international political, business, and academic communities. In Kılıçkıran's view, the road has entered a stage of opening up during the post-COVID-19 pandemic era, but facing a series of financial challenges, and the forum carries the potential to heal these wounds.
Now the world is opening up. There is a normalization for economic ties, but also there are very heavy difficulties for economic costs, basically for high inflation, and also there are some challenges for multilateralism, and also global cooperation has become diminished during the pandemic. So China, with these initiatives, has put some roadmaps how to normalize, how to open up their economies, and also how to increase their economic cooperation, and also how to eliminate the difficulties and challenges for the world in general.
According to Kılıçkıran, China has a critical position in increasing cooperation between the North and South, and also growing and pushing the impetus of development in the South.
So all these developments show that China has agenda to reach a fully normalized economic relationship in the world, and also fully normalized cooperation in the post-pandemic period with these initiatives and international economic forums.